Welcome to the Joyful Movement series powered by C60 Purple Power, where we're combining the ancient art of Qigong and breathwork to revitalize, awaken, and support vibrant living. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to turn on notifications and stay up to date with the latest releases from C60 Purple Power. In this episode, we'll work on a joyful movement practice to welcome in the day. This is a sunrise practice of Qigong. Opening up into a neutral stance. Inhaling, expanding, collecting energy, welcoming in the new day. Inhaling from earth, nature, and heaven. Exhaling, drawing that energy inward and storing in the lower Dantian region. We'll repeat this movement 4 more times, collecting and gathering qi for the day. The next movement, hands rising up. Hands face the pelvis, rising up, rising yang energy, and dropping back down. Feeling the rising energy of the day, welcoming in the sun, and welcoming in the new potential. Next movement, rising open from the middle Dantian region and anchoring back into the center. Rising up, opening through middle, heart center, anchoring back in and settling. We'll repeat this movement 4 more times, feeling the expanded, open potential of the day. For the next movement, we'll shift into a bow stance. Weight is forward, hands rise up, collecting the sun, drawing it inward, and reflecting the sun onto the earth behind you. Weight is forward, collecting, weight draws back as the energy of the sun comes in, and reflecting, pressing the weight back forward. Repeat this movement 4 more times. Sun reflecting on the earth. Drawing the vibrant energy of the new day into the body and shining that as potential through the day. Shifting back into a neutral stance, and weight shifts for a bow stance on the opposite side. Weight is forward, hands collect the energy of the sun and reflect it onto the earth. Weight shifts back as we collect and forward as we project it onto the earth. Drawing in the energy of the new day, washing it through the body, and projecting it through our potential. Shifting back into a neutral stance. Inhaling, collecting, drawing energy in. Exhale, sinking and storing. Earth, nature, and heaven charging up energy for the day. Waking up and inviting in new potential. Drawing energy inward, collecting at lower Dantian region, taking a few breaths to settle all the energy you've collected. Massaging one direction. And shifting to the opposite direction. Hands rub fast to feel the warmth of the energy we've cultivated. And washing through the spirit and the body, any place distributing where you need a little bit of an extra boost. This practice done at sunrise helps to awaken the body and welcome in the new day. If you've liked this practice, please share with a friend. Be sure to hit the like button, turn on the notifications, stay updated with C60 Purple Power, and be wellness.